Hello all, welcome to binaryhackers.com. My name is Rahul Sawant. In this video, I am going to show you how to install Active Directory in Windows Server 2008. Type the password we already set and log in. So now it's preparing your desktop of Windows Server 2008. Before installing the DC or Active Directory domain services, we need to configure our network setting and set our IP address as a static. To see your network setting, click on this configuration networking or go down here and choose a network sharing and center. So it will open that adapter window. Now right click and go to the properties. You can change IP version 6 and 4. In this I am going to 4. Now set the IP address here static. For this video I am going to use 10.1.1.10 and the DNS server is I am going to set a loopback address. So any query is going to this computer. Close. Now open the terminal, or you can say the command prompt, and type ipconfig. You can see our IP address is set. Now let's check our computer name. So right click and go to the property, or you can click right here. So this is our computer name and we need to change our computer name before going to install the Active Directory. So click on change button right here and change the computer name. I am going to set my computer name is DC1 domain controller 1. Click on OK. So we need to restart our machine to apply these changes, and restart your system now. So type the password and log in. Let's wait for our initial configuration loaded Windows. Right click on my computer and go to the properties, and you can see right here the computer name is changed and our work group is a work group. So to install the Active Directory domain services, it can also available right here in the roles. The 0 roles is installed of 17. So click on add role, go to next, and you can see right here Active Directory domain services. Click checkbox, next. So services, click next, and you can see I cannot configure any setting right here, so I just cancel this window and install the Active Directory domain services, or you can see the DC from right here, typing DC promo to promote my domain controller. Open this file, or you can also go to the command prompt and type DC promo. So DC promo is actually promoting our domain controller. So after it's load, you can see the window like this. Active Directory domain services wizard. Click on the next. It's operating system compatibility. Click on the next. Right here the two option is exist in forest and create a new domain. So I'm going to this second option, creating a new domain. Click on the next. So this is FQDN. FQDN is fully qualified domain name. For example, I am going to use the domain name binaryhackers.com. Now click on the next. So it's checking for the availability, or you can say the domain name is already taken or not. Okay, this is the forest functional level. I'm going to set the default one 2000. If you want to raise this level, you can raise this. So I'm going to use default one. This is a domain functional level. It's also I'm going to set the default native 2000. Now we asking to install the DNS server right here. Let me show you right here. In our roles, you can see the DNS server is not installed currently. So we need to install our DNS server role before installing the ADDS. So click next. So it's asking a message that the DNS zone is not found. So delegation of DNS zone and the DNS server is not found. So click on the yes button. This is our location of database. This is our log file database and the SYS volume file database. If you want to change the location, you can browse and change. This is the password to set our ADDS. This is the password is different password and our user login password is a different password, so don't confuse between both of them. So right here summary is display the all setting we already configure. If you want, you can export your setting right here. After clicking next, start the installation of Active Directory. If you want to reboot, you can check this button, so it will reboot your computer after completing. Click on the finish. When you complete your installation, it will ask to restart your computer. So restart now. Now it's restarting the Windows Server 2008 machine. You can see right here Binary Hackers Administrator. So our ADDS is installed perfectly. Type the password. Is password of administrator, not a ADDS password. It's preparing the desktop. Just wait for a few seconds. Right here, click on the role and you can see right here the 2 of 17 role install the Active Directory domain services and DNS. So our role is installed successfully. Right click on my computer and you can see right here our domain is binaryhackers.com. So our ADDS is installed perfectly. In administrator tool, you can see the Active Directory, users and computers, and trust, domain and trust. So our ADDS is successfully installed. Thanks for watching, and for more videos visit our website binaryhackers.com.